This vehicle's here today for a Richards Auto Package 2. Now, a Package 2 for the Land Cruiser 200 series consists of a Richards Auto torque converter lockup kit. That is key to maximising the efficiency and getting all of the engine's torque through the gearbox to the wheels. Ideal for towing. On top of a torque converter lockup kit, we're going to do a Stage 1 engine remap, which increases our torque by 100 Newton meters, and that's right at 1800 RPM, so 100% usable torque for towing. On top of that, the transmission remap to complement these cars addresses a few problems. The first one being torque converter lockup strategy in lower gears, allowing this vehicle to actually use lockup in gear 4 with the factory torque converter lockup clutch. We also maximise the ability when you're not towing to have the vehicle self-select 6th gear below 100 kilometers per hour. So no need to feather the throttle. This car will just drive up to 100, drop into top gear, and you can even use your cruise control and it will use top gear as intended. The differences this Package 2 makes to these 200 series cars is unreal. Really, if you haven't done anything to your 200 series and you want to maximise its best potential, give the guys here at Richards Auto Electrical a call. We've got a few different packages. Package 2 might be ideal starting point. On top of that, we can add and change exhaust systems, air intakes, snorkels, all of the other accessories that go with these mighty 200 series cars. Contact the team at Richards Auto Electrical. We'll be more than happy to guide you through your needs.